Heel. Good, 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 good. Aspen heel. Good, good, good. Aspen heel. Good, good, good boy. Good. Sit. Good, 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 yes. Heel. Aspen heel. Good, 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 good. Aspen back, back. Good, good. Heel is a very narrow hallway. Back. Good, good, back. Good, 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 good. Sit. Good, sit. Good, good. I think I have campers coming behind the camper. Look, careful. Go around. Good, good. Now I see he wants to go play with Jamie, so we'll target Jamie. Right when he thinks he's going to jump on her. No, no. Ooh, he made a nice about turn there. Attaboy. Heel. Heel. Recalls everywhere and anywhere. Here. Sit. Good, good. Yes. Left finish. Hey, heel. Sit. Oh, you dropped that one. I think he's losing his teeth and he doesn't have all the teeth he thinks he's got to grab things with. Heel. Good, good. Heel. Good, good. He's going to see the piece of food. Heel. Good, good, good. Back. Back. Good, good. Good, good. Hey, here. Sit. Good, good. Yes. Aspen. Right. Good, good, good. Sit. I acted like I had a piece of food. I cheated a little bit just to get him to move up that last step so he ends up finishing next to me. Yep. Sit. Good, good. Heel. Good, good. Sit. That's a rally obedience move, the easier one. That's a 180 pivot to the right. Sit to sit. Let's try a left. Back. Come on, back. Good, good. Can I get him to move his behind? Sit. Good sit. Stay. Good sit. No sit. Good, good. No sit. Good, good. No sit. I should be holding the leash by the third one.